Former Jolly Boys band member killed in Portland.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A senior citizen who became Portland's second murder victim since the start of the year, after being found with stab wounds at his home in the parish on Thursday night, was a former member of the renowned Jolly Boys Mento band. The 76-year-old man, who was identified as Kitchenier Howard, was still playing and singing on the North Coast at the former Jamaica Grand Hotel, now Moon Palace, in Ocheria, St. Anne, before it closed like other resort properties because of the onset of the coronavirus locally. Howard was also a pensioner. The police reported that he was found with stab wounds at his home on Springbank on Thursday night, sometime after 10 p.m. and that a suspect has so far been taken into custody. No motive has yet been officially established for the killing. A relative reportedly found Howard at his home unresponsive and summoned the police.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.